I'm Stephen Watson. Today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tip, of course, is a double entendre, so I hope you stay long enough to find out how to donate. I'm here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut, where I've just taught a Tai Chi class, and we're working on Physioball week. So I have kind of a large Physioball here this time, and the idea here is to use the Physioball to encourage you to have some clarity on where the foundation knee is. And so that foundation knee is bent and not moving once we have weight on it. So I just had somebody come in, so I had to close the door for the music. And the Physioball is a little bit forgiving, right? So I'm going to stand here with my foundation knee. If I overdo it, I'm kind of squishing the ball. If I underdo it, the ball is kind of free to start moving around, and I can feel that. Sometimes I'll practice this with something uneven under it, so that if I take any pressure off, it's definitely going to roll away. So that gives me some pretty good feedback. If I take a long step, when I try and lift my rear leg, I'm likely to need to lean or need to go fast to come up. So I want to have a stance that's going to allow me to not move my foundation knee, keep my posture, and move slowly. So the practice is just to come up to the extent that you want. If you want to have something external to you to help with balance, that's perfectly fine. So I like to do just a count, let's say a 4 count, maybe hold for a couple counts, so 4, 2, and then lengthen the exhale. Exhale, maybe a 6 count, and come down. So I want to try and do this well, so I don't go fast, I don't lean, I remember to breathe. I'll usually do this with my hands on the lower dantian to kind of encourage me to feel that, not shifting, and feel my breathing coming to there and going from there. Eyes on the horizon. And once I kind of have an idea how to do it, and I feel like I'm comfortable with the count that I chose, maybe the count's longer, maybe it's shorter, then I really want to tune into the Physioball. Is that getting squished at certain parts? Is it getting a little bit free at certain parts? And I'd like to use that to ascertain and argue for my knee staying in place without change, so that all my movement is in relation to a foundation that does not move. Thank you very much.